Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you what happened if you reset factory data reset in your Windows 10. If you factory data reset in your Windows 10, what can be happen to your Windows? So first of all, what can be happen is the Wi-Fi network which you have connected before and saved in your Windows will be deleted. And second is all the device, all the Bluetooth device which you have which is saved in your Windows 10 will be deleted. Your all account will be deleted from here, and all the language setting and network setting, all things will be deleted. And the most important thing is your Windows app update. Means if you have update any recently install any update in your Windows 10, all will be deleted and basic Windows will come back to your Windows 10. So all these things can be happen to your Windows 10 if you reset data in your Windows 10. And other things that all the settings which you have default, which you have set default for browser, email, and other things, notification on all other things, the all things will be reset, and your factory data reset. This after factory data reset, all things will be removed. So this can be happen if you reset your Windows 10. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for other videos with Windows setting and reset setting and all the things which you want to do with your Windows. All the video will be published on my channel. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.